Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. This is Sherry, and I had a company contact me about demonstrating some of their products. So I have actually picked out two Christmassy products that I wanted to share with you. They're so cute. I've never had anything like this before, and the company's name is cobeads.com. So I'll have them linked below. So it's cobeads.com and I'll have them, the website linked, and I will have a coupon for you and all the products, these two products linked. And if you go to the website, they also have they're having a big sale right now. I think I saw 65% off, and I also saw some coupons, other coupons on their website. So all kinds of sales and coupons if you need anything. But really, and they have hundreds of items too, so it's really worth checking out. But what I picked out was, since it's Christmas, I saw these. Look how many there are in here. I don't know. There's probably, let me see, does it tell me? I got my packing slip here. 100 pieces. 100. It looks like 200, but it says 100. There's so many. So these are, let me get a couple here. These are little appliques. Yeah, they're little appliques. And I don't know about you, but I've looked at appliques in the store, and they are quite expensive. I've never bought any in a store. At least if I find them in a thrift store, I'll get I'll pick them up. But otherwise, I don't buy them because I don't know why they're so expensive, but they are. But look at these little snowmen. Aren't they adorable? I can't wait to use them. I mean, you can glue these down or sew them down, I guess. But I guess I would probably glue them down, but you can glue them down on a page, on a cover, on a tag, journaling card, pockets, just so many things. So I'll be working with these, in the next couple of videos that I do for Co-Beads. And, I have plenty here, as you can see. They're so adorable. And then another adorable thing I got. These all came in one Ziploc bag, but I dumped them all out here. And so in this, oh, here's the Ziploc bag right here. They all were in here. And you can hear, these are bells. So all of these little bags were in here. And what is in here? Let me open one up. And I'll be using these, I'll be adding these to my Christmas stash and using them in my, next couple of videos for Co-Beads and in my December daily. But these are little snowman beads. Let me put it up right here so you can see their little faces. So cute. Of course, you can hear the jingle, but they're little metal snowman beads. Have you ever seen anything like that? I couldn't believe it when I saw them. They were so cute. I mean, just the cutest little snowmen. And snowmen, did I say beads? I meant bells. They're metal bells. So, and they have the little loop on the top, so you can put a little paper clip on there, and paper clip on a page, or do a wrapped paper clip and hang it, or you could even hang it from, I make a little bookmark and hang it from the bottom. You could make your little strings in the middle of your signatures extra long so they hang out the bottom if you want. Just so many things that we can do with bells this time of year especially. So really, and they really jingle nicely. So that's all I got from there. And so I cannot wait to use some of these in my December daily and then add them to my stash for my journals next year. But so cute, and I just wanted to let you know about this company and their sale right now and my coupon. So just if you click on my link, that'll help them to know that you came from my video, and also use my coupon. That will help them to know that you came from my video. So thanks for watching. That was a quick one, right? And I look forward to using these in my next couple videos for Co-Beads. Thanks for watching, and everybody have a great day. Happy crafting.